welcome to Module 3, the spaces of the treble clef. Let's go ahead and see what we got in store. So again, you're already in the video. We do have an activity and an assessment. Those instructions are included on your web page. Let's go ahead and get started with our lesson. So in this short lesson, we are going to be talking about the spaces of the staff. We just spoke about the lines of the staff in the previous lesson, so now it's time to move on to the spaces. So you see a treble clef on one side, and you see a happy face on the other. And you're probably wondering, well, does treble clef equal happiness? It does, but that's not the reason why I have it on here. So let's take a look at this, and you're going to see why these two connect. So here we are. I got my treble clef, my musical staff, and as you can see, I've already identified our 4 spaces. Remember, in any type of musical staff, it's 5 lines and 4 spaces. So just like we did in the last time, let's go ahead and identify these, because each one has a letter assigned to it. So the first one, very simple, it's F. And I'm going to try to make it a little bigger here. Put it right here off to the side. The next one is A. The next one is C. And the last one is E. So here we are. This one's super simple. Now, as you can see, it's F-A-C-E. Now that's a word that spells something. And that's what we use to remember the names of the spaces. F-A-C-E. It spells face. And that's why in the previous little slide you saw a happy face. So that's how we remember the spaces. Space 1, F. Space 2, A. Space 3, C. And space 4, E. Now again, if you're trying to identify it, we go from the bottom up. So if I tell you, okay, identify the third one for me. Okay, so face. How do I spell face? F-A-C. That's C. Identify the first one. Oh, that's F. F. Oh, perfect. Identify the last one. Oh, I got to spell out face. F-A-C-E. That's E. And you just continuously do that. So again, this one's super easy, simple. All we got to do is remember for spaces, we use the word face. So, just to quickly recap, for the treble clef spaces, just remember the word face, and I promise you won't get lost. So, this lesson is very, very simple. Now, just to wrap up, don't forget your activity and assessment at the end. And once you finish everything, go ahead and move on to Module 4. We'll see you in the next one.